Um, how about once? Yeah, I was reading some stuff and somebody's, for a chiropractor about, do you have headaches? Do you have stomach problems? Is that a sign that you may need a chiropractor, that you have something wrong with your spine or your neck, Dr. Pollock?
Yeah, headaches are definitely something we treat. It's usually related to joint restrictions, stress, tight muscles. The muscles attached to your neck, which, some attach up into your head. So if they're tight and they're pulling, you're going to get some headache type pain. Stomach pain, we would generally recommend that you see a primary care physician.
Mm-hmm.
In the state of Connecticut, we are a primary care physician, but we do recommend a patient see their general practitioner for stomach pain. We don't necessarily treat that in our practice. Some chiropractors do, but we don't in ours.
How about pregnancy?